Hello and welcome to this video in which we shall discuss the remainder theorem, level 1. So the remainder theorem says that the remainder of, or when f of x is divided by x minus a, or x plus a, for example, x plus a, equals f of negative a. So it's the same idea as the factor theorem, but it's just more general, because we already said that if there is no remainder, then f of a is a factor, and then f of a has to be 0, or f of negative a has to be 0. So here it's a more general theorem, which says that if we get f of negative a, this is the same as the remainder when we divide f of x by x plus a. So let's try it here. We want the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 1. So there are two ways of doing this again. One way is to use the theorem and just get f of negative 1. So f of negative 1 is 3 times negative 1 power 5 minus 4 times negative 1 plus 1. So this is negative 3 plus 4 plus 1. And the answer is 2. Now, if we try synthetic division here, it will be 3 for x power 5, and then 0 for x power 4, 0 for x power 3, 0 for x power 2, negative 4 for x, and 1. And if we try dividing by x plus 1, so you have negative 1 here. So 3, and then negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 3, positive 3, 3, negative 3, negative 3, positive 3. Here we have negative 1, and this is 1. So the remainder is 2. So both of these techniques give us a final answer of 2. Either we do synthetic division and find the remainder, and here you can see that synthetic division is very long unnecessarily. Here it's just easier to put negative 1 into the function and find the answer. Either way, they're both going to give you the same exact answer. Let's try another one. So here again, x power 5 plus 4 divided by x plus 2. So the answer is f of negative 2, which is negative 2 power 5 plus 4, which is negative 32 plus 4, which is negative 28. If you want to try it with synthetic, you would have to write 1, 0. So this is x power 5, x power 4, x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, and the number. So we have 0, 0, 0, and then we have 4 for the number. And we're dividing by x plus 2, so we put negative 2 here. So this is 1, negative 2, negative 2, 4, 4, negative 8, negative 8, 16, and 16, and then negative 32, so negative 28 as well. So the final answer is negative 28, but of course you can tell that the first technique was much faster and easier. Let's try a third one. I'm going to use the easy technique only, so it's just x minus 10, so it's f of 10. So 3 times 10 power 2 plus 1, which is 301. That's the final answer here. And this brings us to the end of our video. I hope this has been beneficial. Thank you for watching.